Hi, I'm Jack.
And I'm Jennifer.
Today we're talking about a very common problem.
A problem many English learners face every day: grammar mistakes.
Small mistakes that change meaning and confuse listeners.
Mistakes that stop people from speaking with confidence.
In this video, we'll help you understand common English grammar mistakes.
And we'll show you how to fix them in easy, natural English.
If you want to improve your English, please subscribe to Dr. English channel.
Let's begin. Yesterday, a learner spoke English with confidence.
But one small grammar mistake changed the message.
The listener looked confused.
The learner felt nervous and stopped speaking.
At home, the learner thought, "My English is bad."
But the truth is different.
It was not a big problem.
It was just a common grammar mistake.
This is not one learner
This is millions of English learners around the world.
making the same small mistakes every day.
So today we ask this question.
Can simple grammar fixes change your English?
Stay with us because these small changes can make a big difference.
Hello, learners. Welcome back to Dr. English channel. Today we will fix the most common English grammar mistakes.
Do not worry. Everyone makes mistakes.
Yes, especially Jack.
Hey, I make less mistakes now.
Fewer, Jack. The word is fewer.
Perfect. And that is mistake number 1. Less versus fewer.
Fewer is for things we can count. Fewer students, fewer cars.
Less is for things we cannot count. Less water, less money.
Correct. There are fewer people today.
Mistake number 2. He don't, she don't. Many learners say he don't or she don't.
The correct form is he doesn't or she doesn't.
Use doesn't for he, she, it.
Use don't for I, you, we, they.
Mistake number 3. I am agree.
I am agree is incorrect.
The correct sentence is just I agree.
Because agree is already a verb.
Mistake number 4. Since versus for. Use since with a starting time. Example, since 2019, since morning.
Use for with duration. Examples, for 2 hours, for 5 years.
Mistake number 5. Using present simple instead of present continuous.
Many learners say, I go now.
Correct form, I am going now.
Present continuous equals happening right now.
Mistake number 6. Using past simple instead of present perfect. Some students say, I lived here for 5 years.
If you still live there, correct form is I have lived here for 5 years.
Present perfect equals past plus now connection. Mistake number 7. Much versus many.
Many is for countable things. Examples, many people, many cars.
Much is for uncountable things. Examples, much water, much time.
Mistake number 8, using I have a doubt. In natural English, we say, I have a question.
Or, I am not sure about this.
Doubt is not used for classroom questions.
Mistake number 9. Misusing very and too very means a lot. Example, it is very hot.
Too means more than acceptable, negative meaning. Example, it is too hot to go outside.
Mistake number 10. Double negatives. Some learners say, I do not know nothing.
This is wrong because 2 negatives make a positive. Correct, I do not know anything. I know nothing.
Mistake number 11. Me versus I.
Many say, me and my friend went.
Correct form. My friend and I went.
Use I as the subject of the sentence.
Use me after a verb or preposition. Example, she called me.
Quick quiz. Choose the correct sentence. 1. There are less bananas or there are fewer bananas. 2. She don't like maths or she doesn't like maths. 3. I am agree or I agree. 4. I live here since 3 years. Or, I have lived here for 3 years.
Correct answers. 1 fewer bananas. 2. She doesn't like maths. 3. I agree. 4. I have lived here for 3 years.
These mistakes are common, but now you know how to fix them.
Practice daily and speak with confidence.
Tell us in the comments which mistake you make the most.
And do not forget to like, share, and subscribe Dr. English channel.
See you in the next lesson.
See you in the next lesson.